February 2, 2022, Mars passes the top of the Teapot of Sagittarius before sunrise. After sundown, the crescent moon appears with Jupiter in the west-southwest. Venus and Mercury are in the morning sky with the red planet. Chart caption: 2022, February 2, Mars passes Cos Borealis, Lambda SRG, before sunrise. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 7:02 a.m. CST, sunset, 5:07 p.m. CST. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. Mars passes the star that marks the teapot's lid, Cos Borealis, Lambda SGR on the chart. The stars that outline the mythological archer are named after parts of the archer's weapon, such as Cos Borealis, northern part of the bow, Cos Media, middle of the bow, Cos Australis, southern part of the bow, and Alnisil, the point of the arrow. The constellation figure looks more like a teapot than the half-man, half-horse of mythology. So informally, the pattern is known by the nickname. Venus continues to dance into the morning sky. 45 minutes before sunrise find it over 14 degrees above the southeast horizon. Chart caption: 2022, February 2, Mars passes Cos Borealis, Lambda SRG, before sunrise. Mars is 8.6 degrees to the lower right of Venus and 1.6 degrees to the upper left of Cos Borealis. A binocular may assist in locating the red planet and the star. Through the binocular, a star cluster might be dimly visible, 2.1 degrees to the lower left of Mars. This is commonly known as Messier 22, M22. Globular clusters are inherently beautiful objects, but the subject of this NASA/ESA Hubble Space Telescope image, Messier 3, is commonly acknowledged to be one of the most beautiful of them all. NASA/ESA photo. The cluster type is one that is frequently referred to here in describing the nature of the Milky Way galaxy in stellar distances. It is a globular cluster. These clusters are very old. Their chemistries are different from the Sun and the stars in the plane of the galaxy. They revolve around the galaxy outside the plane of the Milky Way that can be seen in areas without street lights. The cluster may be somewhat difficult to perceive because of the level of twilight. It is worth the look. Mars, Cos Borealis, and M22 easily fit into the same binocular field. Mercury is in the sky this morning, 13.6 degrees to the lower left of Venus and about 5 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Use a binocular to find it. Evening sky. Chart caption: 2022, February 2, the crescent moon is near bright Jupiter after sundown, in the west-southwest, after sunset. In the evening sky, bright Jupiter and the crescent moon are together in the west-southwest after sunset. The planet is nearly 13 degrees up in the sky. The crescent moon that is only 4% illuminated is 4.5 degrees to the lower left of the Jovian giant. While not as striking as a pairing of Venus and a lunar crescent, bright Jupiter and the moon make a photogenic pair. Photo caption: 2021, December 6, the moon with Earthshine. Use a binocular or take a long exposure photograph of the scene with a tripod-mounted camera. The night portion of the lunar crescent is gently illuminated by reflected sunlight from Earth's terrestrial features, oceans, clouds, and land. The photograph above shows Earthshine on the moon's night with the sunlit crescent from December 6, 2021. On that evening the crescent was about 10% illuminated.